So why does it happen that your iPhone keyboard is showing on the half screen only? So as you can see, I might be in a place where I'm like using the keyboard, whatever, and the keyboard might be looking like this. And it's actually a feature, so it's not like an issue with your device, because you can always tap on the arrow to return it back to the original state. But the whole point is that this is a feature which is accessed by holding down on the globe icon in the bottom left corner. And you can see we have the original full-size keyboard, or you can either go to the left side or to the right one. And the reason it exists is that whenever you are holding your phone in one hand and using just the thumb to type on the keyboard, it might actually be kind of hard to stretch all the way to the other edge. And that's why the keyboard gets a little bit smaller and, you can reach it much easier. And that's like the feature of that, right? So obviously, if you don't want to use it, keep the keyboard on full screen. As you can see, this is where you get to select it, and you don't have to worry about anything, but you now know how exactly it functions. Keep in mind, however, that you still have the ability to switch to a completely different keyboard. So this all has been still within the Apple keyboard, but if you go to, you can download a keyboard from the App Store like this one, which is called the Gboard from Google. It is a completely different one, has different set of features, and this doesn't work that way that I just get to, adjust it to have the screen or this way. So that's what I wanted to explain. Let me know what you think, share your opinions and thoughts below. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.